Hi, my name is Kelvin. It's lovely to be here today. I was the former biochemistry class rep for my school. So today I'll be discussing about like tips in preparation for biochemistry in MB in your second MB exams. So the first tip I'm going to say is that if we addressed in the former video, if you're afraid of it, you need to conquer that fear. You need to spend time to have an overview of everything. You need to have the core concepts before the MB. You can't learn biochemistry 2 weeks before MB, 1 week before MB. That's just the truth. That's the hard truth. So please have a very grounded, organized understanding of everything. At least core concepts, just know core concepts before the MB. So focus on the core concept for the MB. Now, once it's MB period, it's not a time for learning. It's a time for you to gather all this knowledge and for you to be able to revise them so that you can have them at your fingertips, so that you can feel them tangibly. So it's about gathering them during the MB. I'm going to go through the four folds of the exams. I think MCQs are very important. STEM questions, MCQs. For MCQs, the way you go about it is through past questions. There's no any other better tip than past questions. Past questions are the way. The truth is just that even if no matter how intelligent you are, if you don't read past questions before biochemistry MB, because of the details and so many stuff that is required in the exams, you'll be seeing they are looking some familiar, but you can't answer them. So past questions are very key. You must spend time studying past questions, especially if you want to commit suicide in that MCQs. So that's for MCQs. Then for essays, you still need past questions. Basically, you need past questions. At least gather like 5-4 years. At least 5-4 years. Go through and see the pattern of the essays. Usually, they love bringing questions from whole metabolism, like neurochemistry, immunochemistry, genetics, nutrition, and then they usually like touching on metabolism, like carbohydrate metabolism, and then clinical correlates. They usually love clinical correlates for these courses, like gout, lactose intolerance, all those kind of clinical correlates. Now, if we go to the practicals, practicals are very key, very key. It's very tempting for you to spend a lot of time studying the MCQs and the theory, but that's not wise wisdom. You see, the practicals have a lot of time, a lot of marks allocated. Because that the practicals, you need to spend time on them. If you know that you've not been spending time in your practicals, you've not been taking it seriously, your life practicals in school right now, you need to follow up, supplement with YouTube videos. There are a lot of YouTube videos that give details on practicals. They'll tell you what the reagents you mix, the inference, the observation, and everything. And then you need to pay attention with the alternative. The alternative gives you a lot of marks as well. Now the alternative is the same pattern they keep repeating. They don't change pattern. It's the same curriculum. So once you just know the calculations, you apply the same concept, you're good to go. And then for the Viva, now for you to have good core concepts of everything, for Viva, all you just need to do is just revise. Because you've been paying attention, you've been serious throughout your 200 and 300 level, Viva will be nothing hard. The only thing is just that you need to work on your nerve. You're supposed to be confident. You're not supposed to be afraid. Fear is not supposed to be part of you, right from the MCQs down to the practicals. So just show up, dress smartly, come up, speak boldly. They ask you questions. These are things that they are not going to ask you anything outside of these things, and then you're going to do very well. You're going to do exceedingly well. So passing biochemistry is not magic. It's easy. So it's very lovely speaking with you guys. It's lovely being here. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.